Ever wondered what's powering the visuals on your Windows 11 machine? Let's dive straight into how you can easily check your graphics card details. First, we'll use the Task Manager, a quick and easy method. Locate the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click anywhere on the taskbar, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Task Manager. The Task Manager window will appear. Click on the Performance tab at the top. If you don't see the tabs, click More Details at the bottom left. Scroll down in the Performance tab, and you'll find your GPU listed on the left-hand side. Click on it, and on the right, you will see your graphics card's name, along with other useful information like dedicated GPU memory. Alternatively, you can use System Information. Click on the search icon on your taskbar. It usually looks like a magnifying glass. Type in System Information. The System Information app should appear in the search results. Click on it to open it. In the System Information window, on the left-hand side, expand the Component section by clicking the plus sign next to it. Then, select Display on the right-hand side. You'll find detailed information about your graphics card, including its name, adapter RAM, and driver version. And that's it. 2 simple ways to quickly check your graphics card on Windows 11. Now you know exactly what GPU is driving your visual experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.